Teacher Sticker Shop here. We've got a plan with me, August 2018, in my Erin Condren Life Planner, which is my Etsy planner. We are going to use a kit from our shop. It's called the Daisies kit, and it has your header with the days and the month. It's available with all the months on a separate page. So you would just cut out the month that you want and then stick it here. So you could use it any month that you want. We're using it in August. It also has sidebar, an extra bit of like where I'll cover up these days that aren't part of the month. The date stickers, triangles, so that they're super easy to cut. Has 5 flags, checklist flags, and then this is a 4-box mural. Page 2 has 12 full boxes, 8 quarter boxes, bill due stickers, 4 of those, 8 headers in case you want to put a header in your sidebar. And this is also like this sticker where you could cover up extra days with it. Functional stickers, checklists. These are 8. We always put them in like a pink or a red because lots of people use them as a period tracker sticker. And then the really cool thing about this kit is it has a 3rd page, which is your notes page. I have the 2017-2018 planner, so I still have the circles. I know that now they've gone back to the full like note paper. It just has lines, but this is just one big sticker. So you just stick it on there and you have your circles if you want them. That way you don't have to worry about like cutting out the circle stickers and putting them here. And then it has some little boxes for here, a currently, and then 2 habit trackers, and you can cut these out and put them into the boxes if you want to do that. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is put my headers down. I love the art in this kit. It is from Frau Craft on Etsy. Check them out. And it's just a really pretty, sorry, I got quiet there because I was concentrating. It's just a very pretty like watercolor. It has daisies, it has some roses or like ranunculus, it has some berries. Just really pretty, feminine, cute. You could use it for spring, like it would make a really pretty Easter kit or a Mother's Day. I've just used it in August because I thought that the colors were really pretty. So I wanted to use it. Okay, I could have gone just a tiny bit more towards the holes there, but no big deal. All right, let's do the sidebar. Got goals and notes. This is my Etsy planner, so I don't have like a ton of stuff that I write down in this planner. But I do like to, you know, keep it decorated, and I do write in the weeklies. It's just in the monthlies I don't have lots and lots of stuff. Okay. I think what I'm going to try to do, no, I'm not going to try to do that. Sorry, I lied. Okay, I think I'm going to use the daisies here. There's enough for like a whole page. If you had like, if the first was here, you could cover up the entire page. But the first is today. It's Wednesday. Happy August. Are you guys upset that it's August because you have to go back to school? Sorry, I'm fighting with this paper, guys. You know it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put the date here. And then I'm just going to trim off the edge there. This paper is so thick. Okay. I didn't quite get that straight. Hang on. There we go. Okay, and then I have one more down here, but I think I'm just going to use a full box there. And I'll use this little Daisies one because it matches. Okay, and what else do I want to put down? I want to put down the 4-box mural. I'm going to put it over here. Could have lined that up a little bit better, right? Ah, oh well. What are you gonna do? Okay, and I'm just going to put down some full boxes, just kind of wherever I like them. Here I'm going to do 2 matching ones because we have a special event that we're going out of town. Going up to the beach, the north of Spain. Looking forward to it. Okay. Alright, sticking with the theme of crooked. Sorry, I'm just over here fighting with this sticker paper. Okay, we're gonna do here, do here. The 31st, which is my birthday. We're going to put a pretty sticker there. And then, what are we going to put? This one here. Okay, now I'm going to go through and put down all of the little date triangles. That takes forever. I mean, not forever, but it does take like 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay guys, back from putting on all of the dates. That didn't take so long. And I have a couple of stickers that I want to add. This day we are coming back from vacation. Okay, and then I also want to put a bill due sticker because I've got my Etsy bill at the end of the month. Okay. And I want to put something special for my birthday. going to put celebrate. And maybe a little shine. Okay. Oh, I just pulled a sticker out. Well, that's all right. And then we're going to do Life is Good on the day that we leave for the beach. All right. So this is the monthly spread for August 2018 in the Erin Condren Life Planner, and now we're going to flip over and do the notes page. This one is going to be super easy peasy. Okay, we're just going to line up with the edge of the page. Sorry, what I meant to say was the center of the page. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, and I'm going to put these stickers right here. Sorry. I love these little blue clouds. I think that they're really cool. And it's super, super sunny and hot in August where I live, so I kind of like having the tranquil blue. Normally I would decorate August in yellow, but I think I need the little bit of cool temps going on in my planner. All right, we're going to do a currently sticker at the bottom of the page. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is put one habit tracker here. That is so pretty. And then we'll put the currently sticker. Okay, super easy peasy. Now, we are going to write, where's my gray pen? I just had it. Here it is. Okay. ECTP. This is just a project that we are working on in the shop for the month of August. And that's what I wanted to use my notes page for this month, was to keep track of that project. All right. And then I just wanted to look for a few little stickers to put in here. I don't really want to write anything. But I thought it would be cute just to put a couple of little note stickers in these circles. There we go. And we are going to make August a no planner spend month. Guess what? We didn't spend anything on the 1st. I can go ahead and scratch that one out. Okay, so we've got, this is the notes page for August 2018 in the Erin Condren Life Planner. I think it's really pretty. That sticker's crooked, but that's okay. And then the monthly page. So thanks so much for watching our video. Please give it a like down below, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you get our updates. And I will see you guys in our next video. Happy August!